The night sky over Kagoshima grows restless. Rain lashes the ground as if warning of what's to come. Thunder growling like a distant beast. In the streets, people pause, their umbrellas shaking as the earth rumbles beneath their feet. Neon lights flicker, cups tremble on tables, and an eerie silence falls between the thunderclaps. Then, without mercy, Sakurajima explodes to life. A massive column of ash shoots into the stormy sky, glowing from within as if the mountain itself were aflame. Lightning dances through the black plume, and fear sweeps through the city. Sirens wail, police shout orders, and families rush to shelters. The air grows heavy with ash, sticking to wet skin, burning throats with every breath. This is no longer a distant danger. The volcano is awake, and its fury has only just begun.
Get to safety! Everyone, please evacuate immediately!
The first wave of destruction crashes down the mountain. Lava glowing like molten metal races toward villages and rice fields, hissing as rain turns to steam. Bamboo forests ignite in seconds, casting a red glow over the drenched countryside. Wildlife flees in terror, deer and boars scattering across the roads as villagers scream and run for higher ground. In the city, trains screech to a halt, highways crack apart, and cars are abandoned as families escape on foot. The night turns crimson, volcanic lightning flashing overhead, painting a picture of chaos. Firefighters and police risk everything, guiding evacuees through the choking ash, their flashlights slicing through the smoke. Explosions erupt as cars and gas tanks ignite, filling the air with fireballs. This is no longer just a disaster, it is a nightmare made real, consuming everything in its path.
Let's go! Quickly now! Keep moving! Stay together! Follow the lights!
The volcano roars louder than ever, unleashing its deadliest fury. Entire streets vanish beneath rivers of fire, houses collapsing one after another as flames race through wooden beams. Pagodas glow like ghostly silhouettes against the inferno, their outlines swallowed by smoke. Bridges buckle and fall. Highways are torn apart, and the city's lights die one by one until only the glow of lava remains. Helicopters hover desperately, their searchlights sweeping over burning rooftops, pulling survivors from the brink. But the storm does not relent. Another massive blast rocks the region. Windows shatter, streetlights topple, and the ground shakes with terrifying power. People huddled together, some crying, some praying, as the sky above crackles with volcanic lightning. The entire world seems to hold its breath. This is the moment where everything hangs by a thread. Survival or annihilation. Dawn breaks at last, revealing a city buried in ash. Streets are silent, except for the crunch of boots, as rescuers move through the ruins. Families emerge from shelters, coughing, covered in gray dust, but alive. Rescue teams dig through collapsed homes, pulling survivors from the rubble. Relief stations are set up, food and water handed out to the weary. Helicopters drop supplies, their rotors scattering the ash like snow. Amid the destruction, moments of humanity shine through. A soldier giving a blanket to an old woman. Children drawing pictures in the dust. Neighbors helping each other. The city is wounded but not defeated. Bells ring from the surviving temple, calling the living to come together. In the face of ruin, the spirit of Kagoshima begins to rise. A quiet determination to rebuild, to endure, to remember.
The scale of this tragedy is truly immense, with destruction visible in every direction.
Days pass, and the city begins to breathe again. Volunteers, soldiers, and neighbors work side by side, clearing debris and sweeping away the ash that blanketed every street. Construction vehicles rumble through the ruins, reopening roads, reconnecting power, and bringing light back to the darkened homes. Children return to schoolyards, their laughter soft but real, as if defying the tragedy that struck. Cherry blossom saplings are planted in the scorched earth, tiny sparks of color against the gray. A torii gate is raised again, its red beams standing proud as a symbol of resilience. Slowly, markets reopen, lanterns are rehung, and the smell of hot tea fills the air. The volcano still smolders in the distance, a reminder of nature's power, but also of the strength it awakened in the people. As the sun sets over Kagoshima, the city glows not with fire, but with hope, proof that even after the darkest night, life will rise again.